Hi, it's Queen from AEvent Support. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a timeline action to send emails to registrants using MailGun. So to start, let's navigate to the timeline section of your account and let's open up the timeline we will be using. So just click on it. Once within the timeline, by default, we are on the timeline section where we can create timeline actions. So to create an action, just click on the Create Action button on the upper right. This will open the Create Action window, and we can indicate the day when we want to send the webinar. In this specific action, I want it to be sent out on the event date, and I want it to be sent before 5 minutes before the webinar. So I won't be indicating the exact time, and then I'll be typing in 5 minutes here, and we will be targeting all registrants. So on the what section, that's where I'll be selecting MailGun because I want to send an email 5 minutes before the webinar starts. And then click on edit to edit the email that we will be sending out to registrants 5 minutes before the webinar. So we just have to fill in these fields. So indicate the email address where the email will be sent from, indicate the name of the sender and the subject. So I prepared this for you in advance. This is a sample email that we send out to registrants 5 minutes before the webinar. So as you can see, I have personalization values here. This specific value will be pulling in the first name of the registrant the email will be sent to. So to get this personalization value, just click on the personalization icon here, and then I just selected first name. And of course, we also have to indicate the join URL link that registrants will be able to click on. So to get this value, just click on the personalization icon again, and then I just selected join URL. Also, we can include emojis to make sure that it feels more personalized for registrants. So just click on the personalization icon here, and let's just select a simple emoji for this specific email. Once you're satisfied, just click on Save Email. And then don't forget to click on Save at the bottom. So in this case, it's showing Update Action because I prepared the email in advance. So in this case, I'll be clicking on Update Action. And as you can see, you'll see that this is the action I created. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions, please contact support. Thank you. I'll see you on the next one.